Grace is bringing it back like that. Grace is bringing it back like that. Check it out. It's time to pray. Grace Group's got something for you. Boy, girl, every teen in the world, but you gotta sign up. Grab that sheet at the desk in the front. I know you're getting hungry cause it's time for lunch. All the boys wanna munch and crunch. Man, they sure do eat a bunch. Girls in all, talking about all of the boys they saw. So many crushes, they smashed them all. Every high school kid up in the hall. Dawg. Grace is bringing it back like that. Grace is bringing it back like that. Check it out. Sunday nights at 6, take over the building. So many kids just hanging and chilling, feeling the love of God and willing the love of bride. This church has got more missions than you can make decisions. So jump on in, let go of sin and the burden we feel within. Yeah, it's up to him, but it sure does help a lot with them Grace Group leaders, women and men, Rachel and Ben, always trying to lead you straight to them. The group you'll feel most connected within. So come on in, bring a friend. Matter of fact, bring all of them and tell the devil get gone. Grace is bringing it back like that. Grace is bringing it back like that. Check it out. Let's see if you can keep up. Let's pray for each other, more like best friends, closer than a sister, brother. Phone calls, emails, texts, and you know the rest. By the way, everyone belongs. Sing praise like the book of Psalms. So join the crowd, let's sing it loud, and love forever and now.
Oh, by the way, Grace Groups begin after the Wayne County Fair.